Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Corey Dillon for the Mix After Show, and we have a lot to talk about today. Baby, celebrity babies being born every day, it seems like. Kelly Clarkson last week, and then we found out that John Legend and Chrissy Teigen had their baby girl Luna last Thursday, but they just started tweeting about it yesterday on Sunday, so we now know they've got baby Luna in their lives, and we can't wait to see what beautiful songs John writes about her. I'm sure she will be gorgeous too. How could she not be? Coachella. Every star in the world was at Coachella. We're talking about Taylor Swift and her platinum hair. Katy Perry showed up with Orlando Bloom. But I think that Rihanna might have stolen the thunder and the limelight from Taylor and her squad because she showed up on stage and danced with Calvin Harris. I don't know how that went on behind the scenes, but a lot of great videos are coming out of that, and you can watch them on TampaBaysMix.com. The iHeartRadio Pool Party, your chance to win. The first chance at 10 a.m., 1, 3, 5. You can find out all the details again on our website. This pool party is going to be huge. All the biggest stars are going to be there at the Fontainebleau in Miami coming up soon. And Johnny Depp and his wife Amber Heard had to make a really awkward video to apologize for smuggling their dogs into Australia. And to avoid prosecution, again, they made this video. You can see that on the Corey page at TampaBaysMix.com. Have a great Monday, and thank you for listening. I'll be back tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., right here on Mix 100.7.